Hello and welcome. Please find a comfortable, quiet, and safe space. Either sitting down on the floor, on a cushion, on a chair, or lying down. As much as possible, keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, eyes softly closed, back upright, body balanced. And bringing your hands on your lap with your palms facing down for grounding. And relaxing into the space you are in. Gently raising your awareness to your breath. Notice every inhale, every exhale, and just the way that it flows within and through you. No need to change anything about your breath. Just allowing it to flow freely all the way from your nostrils to your lungs. Be aware of what your ears are hearing. Even with your eyes closed, be aware of what you can see. Aware of what your skin is sensing. Tongue is tasting. The mind is thinking. Your heart is sensing. And recognize that your awareness is beyond and deeper than all of your senses. and say to yourself, I am loving awareness. 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 As awareness, I am the entire ocean, even the drop that is all the way at the bottom of the ocean floor, and the drop that is on the crest of the wave. I'm the entire ocean, all as one. I am loving awareness. As awareness, I am the moon, the earth, the planets, the sun, the entire cosmos as one. I am loving awareness. I am loving awareness. I am loving awareness. continuing to navigate and explore the rest of your day in recognizing and experiencing the quality, the texture, and the presence of yourself as awareness by pausing, noticing, reflecting on all that you sense, recognizing that the awareness is the foundation upon which all these sensations and these transactionary actions take place. Being immersed in yourself as awareness. And slowly coming back into your body. Bring some gentle micro movements to your fingers, toes, head and neck, back and shoulders, and take a couple of deep inhales, allowing this virtue of awareness sink in even deeper. Thank yourself for being here, for being available, for being present for yourself. I thank you for allowing me to share my energy and my practice. And I thank you for bringing and sharing yours. When you're ready, allow your eyes to gently open. Namaste.